Where we stayed last night. Nice campsite here. 1 minute, I'll help here. Give me a minute. A couple of vans turned up. That's our view for the next few days. Can't complain at that, can we? Got the flag for Jubilee.
Port Logan is a gorgeous village sheltered in a bay on the west coast of Scotland. South of Port Patrick and north of the Mull of Galloway, it was a location for the BBC series 2000 Acres of Sky, and more recently it appeared in the film Keepers starring Gerard Butler and Peter Mullen. This beautiful harbour town is popular with owners of small boats and fishermen, and at the end of the harbour you can see the bell tower, which was designed by Thomas Telford, who is most famous for designing bridges and canals like the Caledonian Canal. Port Logan's long sandy beach has the harbour at one end and Logan Fish Pond at the other. Logan Fish Pond is a natural rock pool that contains many fish and marine species. It is a popular family attraction, and it was once a larder for nearby Logan House before the invention of fridges and freezers. So here we are again on another visit to the west coast of Scotland, staying at New England Bay. This time we've walked down to the village of Ardwell and through these beautiful gardens.
actually. Look. Overhead bees collecting the nectar.
Unfortunately, I didn't have the gimbal out when we spotted a deer.
It's on my phone,
So we've recorded it on the phone, so apologies that you're just going to get like mobile phone footage of it. But we're heading over that way to the pond. Impressive estate this is. I think it's the McTaggart Brewers. I'll double check that. Put the information on, but yeah. McTaggart Brewers that own the estate. Ardwell House is located around half a mile west of the village of Ardwell and was the first settlement in the area, with a village being built around it. In the grounds of the house are the remains of a medieval moat and the ruins of Callister Castle, the ancestral home of the McCullochs, who formerly held Ardwell. The current gardens are a mid-19th century designed landscape with overlays in 1900 and 1950, most notable for its woodland garden and walled kitchen gardens. Videoing. Just watching it. It's half an hour round.
So from here, how do we get back to Ardwell?
So round the pond and then back down the road over to the main road and then on to the beach. There's not much water, it's a bit dry, isn't it? It's the dam. Fish ladder. Ardwell estate.
Oh, I've got all them beasties down there.
Woof. Keeps jumping out to catch the flies. There. There's the tower again. I have to find out some history on that, because a lot of these places don't seem to have any sort of boards up to tell you what they're all about, which is a shame.
Oops. Oh, house in there, look at that.
Wow.
You think somebody lived there once.
Such a shame, isn't it?
Look at their dinners.
Yeah.
Got the families. Oh, it's just derelict.
I don't know about you guys, but I think that's an old church. It's had a tin roof put on and a new front porch.
Oh, nice.
So this is the caravan and motorhome club site. As you can see, it's quite a big site. It's all the way down there. Pictures. Give you some good views out onto the Stranraer Peninsula. But in the distance, you can see our Union flag flying above Twingle, where you can actually park for free. So, paid for view, not paid for view.
Yeah, but we ain't got fish there. We've got
I don't know if you can see that. But the bird's diving in the water. Let's see if that one does it.
go up high. That one there, you see it? There.
Douche!
Never seen him do that
No,
before.
look. Ooh. Is he gonna do it? Hopefully you can see that on camera, but if you look at the water and just watch these birds diving.
That's crazy. See if he's brave enough. What's it like?
That is so painful.
That is so cold. I don't know how people do it. That is painful as hell.
So you're not going to go in? Just don't do it then.
Just wait.
Just wait.
brave
Well,
enough.
should we walk along?
Huh?
We'll walk along the beach.
Well, no, because the jet ski there, and if I go in, I want to go in.
Well, if you're going to go in, can you just go in now?
Why?
Because the tide's coming in. As you can see, the tide's coming in behind us.
Yeah, obviously.
Oh, don't go in if it's that cold.
Well, I'm going to give it another whirl.
Oh, let's have a look. Watch him. There he goes. What a nutter. What an absolute nutter. He's got his wetsuit at home. Oh, sorry. Cut that. Oh man. I don't think he realises I'm filming him. And the tide's coming in. Put it back up. Isla, you're not daft, are you? He's still going for it. Man's a hero. So, you see? What a nutter. Hurry up then, Steve. Come on. Stop doing it! What are you doing? Do you want your towel? No. So that was a no-no.
Yeah, that's.
I saw you jumping on the waves.
Too cold.
Oh, you should have dried off.
I'm alright.
Oh, lovely Venezia towel from our holidays in Greece, which we're going back to. Maybe go to the sea in Greece.
Yeah, that's a bit warmer. Where are we going?
Need to go and empty this bag.
Give me that bag, then I'll hold that.
Walk along a jet ski over there.
She ain't got her lead over yet, so I don't know what near people. Oh man. Oh, nearly there.
I know, you kept jumping with the waves. You were like jumping at the waves, and I could feel the pain. I could feel the pain of the coldness that you were doing. It was like... So this is where it started, a week ago. Not a week ago, Tuesday, a few days ago. Feels like a bit longer. But it's our last day. Jubilee day, we go home tomorrow. So I thought we'll end the video here. There's not a pub here. We've got our own little bar. Yeah. It's been a great week. We've done a lot. It's been really nice. What else?
Just chilled out.
Yeah.
Tried cold water swimming, but that didn't work out.
As you
Maybe
see in the
next
video.
time.
As you see.
So
Anyway, thanks for watching. Obviously, like us, you know, if you like the video, want to see some more of our journeys, please like and subscribe. It's free. If you know, follow us, we will follow back. But for now, catch you later.
cheers.
Cheers.